What's up, guys? So these are the pillars in your car. I'm going to make them, just give them a carbon fiber skin. So first of all, buy your carbon fiber. You also need resin, that's carbon fiber specific, and some type of spray adhesive. Either or works. I've used both. First, you want to mark out what you want, how much, not too much, not too little. And then I would always tape it because I hate really loose ends like this crap. Because if you don't tape it, it just keeps falling apart. So now, cut. So here's one piece cut off. Typically I would trim it off to make it like less waste, but I'm actually gonna skin it, so I'm gonna have a little overlap over slightly on top of it. So I'm actually gonna glue it on first and then cut the rest, the remaining extra. Alright guys, it's almost 1 o'clock. Doing this between my kids waking up and stuff, it's crazy. Here's my first one. As you can see, the back I did kind of 2 different styles. This I made it at least like 1 inch. And here I kind of cut it really close, which is terrible. So yeah, definitely do the 1 inch one as much, or half an inch. In this corner. Yeah, some imperfections, but I think it'll be fine after I put some shiny stuff on it. Here we go. I'm gonna do this one. A bit of a hint or tip is this thing dries up really quickly, so do it really fast, or do it in sectionals. I prefer just do it really fast, so I just spray the whole shit down and then drop it in. Cool, now I'm going to mix up my resin. This one in particular is a 2-to-1 ratio, so I'm using 2 ounces, then I have 1 ounce of this thing, hardener. Let's do it and mix. Cheap old brush from the dollar store. Need to switch hands. That's my right hand. It's not really like a coat, pretty much it's the thinnest coat, so basically brushing it off. Oh god, everything's failing. Okay, yeah, I definitely need 2 hands, but you don't really make it thick at all. You basically just brush it on, make it like flat. You just do it for the whole thing. Be right back. And you probably notice how much resin I made. It's actually probably too much, so I made like 3 ounces. A big spot you want to focus on is actually the corners. But first, just get a lot of resin on it. You can just brush it off. You want a very thin coat. Basically just to get it shiny. That's the point of the resin. I mean, the point of resin is to actually make it harder. But for this application, it's just for it to be shiny. So here you go. You can see it's already shiny. And it'll just harden up. And boom, it's carbon fiber skinned. Now I'm doing the other one. See how much resin I still have left? So 3 ounces is more than enough. The hardest part is probably the corners. Just make sure you hit the corners well, and you might have some high ends or something. So I did notice some of my mistakes. I had too much glue in here, so it actually popped up. So that's actually not resin, that's glue. So I sprayed too much glue in here. But other than that, it's fine. My corners are good. Everything else is good. There you go, complete. And I had some resin left. This one looks much better. Maybe it won't be noticeable after I sand and buff it. We'll see. Be right back. You wait. So you probably notice a little cloudiness. It's because I sanded with wet sand, which is 2000 grit, a little water. Same piece, but with water. Look how nice and shiny it looks. There, boys. Corners aren't really noticeable because of the gasket covers over it a little bit. And then the corner over here is just shoved against here, so you don't really see it at all. So I really highly recommend trying this yourself if you want to try to do carbon fiber. So this is the one spot I messed up. I guess I didn't glue it down. But other than that, it looks legit. Oh yeah, how to remove this off. You literally stick your hand in it, you just pull it off. It will pop. But then there's a tab in the back of it. No, actually, here's my Alcantara one. There's a tab right here. It's actually pretty difficult to get out, but you basically have to kind of crunch it and turn it. And there's a little clip here. Here's that annoying tab I'm talking about. You kind of get to turn it like that and then pull it off. Pretty hard. And then the other clip goes here, which is in the back of it. Here. Cool. Hope you guys enjoy. I'm actually going to try and sell this and redo it because that little gap or little thing in the middle kind of bothers me. And actually I'm going to try and make another carbon fiber mold for it so I can do it properly. Maybe sell it and make money. Who knows? Anyhow, thanks for watching. Peace out.